Hey guys, and welcome back. Today it's that time of the season again. We're going to go to Doniphan Cruise Inn and join the club and cruise the town. Join us. Sometimes when you're driving your hot rod, going to a cruise in, weatherman will tell you something like sunny, warm. I guess some guys lie on their job applications. Oh well. I guess that answers the question of, should I fix my windshield wipers? Probably gonna make it easier driving this cruise if I had them, or knew it was gonna rain and put Windex on the windows. Well, where'd you drive it? Made it home, despite not having wipers. A little post on the little dun-to-dun thing here for this self-correct deal broke, so it doesn't keep the wiper straight. I need to order a new transmission for that, but I haven't done it yet. And, you know, who needs wipers unless it rains? Which it did tonight. And I don't know why I just didn't think about rain when I was designing the intake for this turbo. But if you see, that goes right out there into the fender. And my thoughts here were I was going to get us some cold air somewhere in there. There it is. Right there is the air filter, which I guess this air dam helped get a lot of the majority of the water, keep it from going in there, but it got in there. I got part of the way home and I was going up a grade and the motor started popping and sputtering and white smoke went everywhere and it just about died. So just kept the RPM up and made it home. Figured if it's gonna hydrolock, it's gonna hydrolock in the garage. And well, I took the catch cans off. This is what we're looking at here. We need a light. This is what we're looking at here. This is just water, pure water that was going in. This is the catch can that was off the, I think this is off the crankcase side. Anyways, no, this was off the turbo side. Well, when I'm in boost, to ventilate the crankcase, I need to put a vacuum on this. So I vacuum by going through the catch can and into a fitting right there in the intake tube. So basically the air filter was sucking in water, which means that the catch can was sucking in water, which then means the motor was getting quite a bit of water in it too. So I guess I just found a way to get a free seafoam treatment. The crankcase has seen some better days. It's all milkshaked in there. When I pulled the dipstick, wasn't too much milkshake on the dipstick. wasn't bringing the boys to the yard or whatever. So maybe it just, you know, cleaned out the top end for me. It's almost 10 o'clock now, so all the parts houses are closed. We got Boosted's event tomorrow, so I'm gonna finish cleaning out what I can from the crankcase and things, and then we're gonna get fresh oil in here and take plugs out, roll the motor over, do all those kind of things, and maybe the motor will live. I don't know. Had decent oil pressure coming home, or water pressure, or whatever pressure I was pumping through this engine. So drained oil out of the Chevelle. Nothing looked like it got into the oil pan, so it was just in the top end crankcase, probably steaming around in there and cleaning off my valves and things, which is great. But using the Purelator Bus, yeah, kids, you might get that one. Inside this little guy, at least on this filter, there's nothing in there. I forgot to film it, but on the one that I put on the Chevelle, it's got a little springy bypass deal. I don't know what that is, and if you guys know, you can educate me. Thought that was kind of neat. I guess we'll find out what it does. So drained it, filled it, fired it. Seems to run fine. Back up to 46 PSI where I should be. So we'll take it easy tonight at the Boosted Behavior event and see what happens. All in all, I didn't get a lot of video of the actual cruising part because it was raining and I was not getting outside and getting wet and filming and all those things with the phone and stuff. So I apologize for that. But as always, I break at some point in time, so you got to enjoy that with me. Thankfully, we didn't hydrolock this motor, and we can keep on feeding it boost. So stay tuned for more automotive content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.
Action on fire. I just wake up and piss excellence, and I want to go fast.
You're not first, you're last.
I was high when I said that. Did real good. Car ran real good.